Eden,
What?
what did you just open?
I just opened my yellow box.
You opened one of your yellow boxes?
Yeah.
Yes. So Eden just opened her Kiwi Koala crate, and this one was nature, and this one was really neat. So I'm gonna open this up and show it to you. We're gonna get ready to go outside and go on a little nature scavenger hunt. But Easton and Zoe felt a little left out, so to make them up one as well. So I'm gonna show you what we did, and then you can go on our nature scavenger hunt with us. Okay, so in her nature box, she had this little scavenger hunt box to create. She put these little stickers on, and they can be colored in. She didn't color them, but you can color them. And then inside are a couple little cards. Pull these out. So the first one we're gonna do is the actual little nature pieces. So they just simply go around and they find each of these objects, and then they bring them back and they place them on their card. And then there's also a shape card, so they can find objects with these shapes. There's a blank one if you want to draw your own designs or any other ideas you might have. You could even do bugs like an ant or a worm or you know, options like that if you're feeling adventurous with the bugs. And then there's a color card. This is neat too. So they go around and they find an object that matches these colors. So this was really, really fun. We're gonna start out with this one. And then it just has these fun little dividers that you can put in there. Just kind of keeps it fun. And then there's also a little magnifying glass. Where's the magnifying glass at?
Let me have it.
Which I'm sure you all know what that looks like. But this came as well, so once they find their objects, they can explore them a little bit further. And then this little box here has this little band here where they can store their little tools. And you can just close it up. And it's like a little carrying case that you can carry around outside or take a walk.
And when you're taking a walk,
yeah. So let me show you Easton and Zoe's and how I created just a simple, quick little one for them. All right, now I'm gonna show you Zoe's. So
this is what Eden's like stuff came in, but I'm just using it for mine.
Yep, so we just took the extra box that had all her stuff in it, and we used that for her. So she doesn't have any dividers. I could probably make up some, but we don't need any. This will be fun. So I just went on Canva and found the little images and put it on a sheet and printed that out. So she'll find a flower, a leaf, a twig, stone, a blade of grass, and a pine cone. And then I also printed a color card for her as well. So we can do this one first, and then we can switch to the color.
A twig's gonna be easy because I can just climb up in my tree because we have a climbing tree. Get a twig.
There you go.
Yeah. But it's really hard to split it in half to get a piece. And we have lots in the grass too.
So I made Zoe's. You can go ahead and close that back up.
Yeah.
And then Easton had a look of, yeah, he just had a look on his face that he felt really left out. I had no idea he would want one too, but he did. So I found an old shoebox downstairs, and I just printed him out the same ones that I did for Zoe. So yep, now we're gonna take our boxes out and go on a little scavenger hunt and see what we can find.
Let's go! Let's go! Grass.
What'd you find first?
I'm going to
Some grass?
Pine cone. Oh, grass. Grass, what grass? What grass, Mom?
There you go. Yeah. Is that the grass picture?
Oh, a rock.
Good job.
I'm going to go climb up in the tree and get a leaf and a twig.
You're gonna go scavenger up the tree?
There's a flower.
No, it's a petal. Pick my hens and chicks.
My leaf.
Let me see. Ooh,
I didn't get it from a tree
pretty
because
yellow leaf.
it was a yellow one on the
Like a
ground.
fall color.
Yeah. I don't know why, but let's go get a purple thing. What is purple? A rock's purple, but we don't really have a rock. We need red too. What is red? I know what is red. What?
You liked the scavenger hunt?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
What was your favorite color to find?
It was
What color is that?
yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah,
What did you find for yellow? What is that?
A yellow flower.
Yellow flower. Is it small or big?
Oh.
Small.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.